First example, simple examples. Okay, let's see. Mohit said to Rakhi, I have done your homework. Okay, it's very simple sentence for all the students. Mohit said to Rakhi. In this sentence, you have a part of direct speech, which is outside of inverted commas, and second is part of direct speech, that is inside of inverted commas. This is reporting verb, this is reported speech. Okay, first I told you should write subject. Mohit said to is our reporting verb. I told you about the first rule. Reporting verb, if you have said to in reporting verb part, and after inside of inverted comma you have a very simple sentence, your said to will convert into told, and after Rakhi, and you have completed your reporting verb part, and you want to add reported speech with the reporting verb. Okay, तो सर क्या करना पड़ेगा? You should write here a conjunction, and I told you if you have simple sentence inside of inverted commas, you should write here that conjunction. Okay, that will come here. And I told you very special note about that. After that we always write subject. I told you. Okay, what is this? This is I. I is a first person. I told you should remember, you should learn, you should focus on the table first. After can you solve it. Okay, तो अगर आपके पास में ये table learn नहीं है तो you can't change it first. Okay, sir, what is this? Sir, first person, and you know very well every person has 5 cases. Which cases? Which case is this? Sir, first person, first case. I told you about the first person. If you have first person, it will change according to subject. What is subject? Sir, subject is Mohit. Okay, I will change according to Mohit. Okay, it is first case, and so sir, first case of Mohit will come here. Okay, sir, what is Mohit? Sir, Mohit is a boy, and boy, if you have as a subject here, the first case of boy will come here, and first case of boy will be he. Sure. And after it you have has have plus V3. Have done mean has have plus V3. Has have plus V3 is a symbol of present perfect. Are you sure? And if you have present perfect in direct speech, and you want to change it into indirect speech, you should change it into past perfect. There you should write had plus V3. Are you sure? And the answer will be had V3. Done. Okay. And after you have your word. You have your word. Sir, your word is a second person. Okay. We know very well this is second person, but sir, which case? Sir, this is second person and second case. Second person and second case. Second person will change according to an object. Okay, what is an object, sir? Object is Rakhi. Okay, and it is a second case. So here second case of Rakhi will come. First case of Rakhi will be C, and second case of Rakhi will be her. Are you sure? Okay, and after homework, HOMEWORK. So it's completed. I told you about direct speech, that if you have direct speech and you want to change it into indirect speech, you should focus on the 5 rules. First rule was reporting verb. Okay, second rule was conjunction, and third was person. Okay, fourth was sir, tense, and fifth is not mentioned in this sentence. Okay, sure. Let's see one more sentence. You should copy it first. Next one is second sentence. A boy said to his teacher, I am not agree with your ideas. Okay, you have a sentence, and the sentence is a boy said to his teacher. A boy said to his teacher, I am not agree with your ideas. You know very well, inside of inverted commas you have one more time very simple sentence. Are you sure? Okay. These या अगर आप हम इसको भी चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो फिर से वही 5 रूल्स हमारे को कंसर्न करना पड़ेगा. ओके, लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट इज अ बॉय सब्जेक्ट, said to will convert into I told you, if you have simple sentence, said to will change into told also. Okay, you should write here told after his teacher, teacher. And if you have simple sentence and to merge to connect reporting verb and reported speech inside of inverted in indirect speech, you should write that conjunction. I told you, you should write here that. After that I told you that you should write subject. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is I, first person and first case. First person and first case. It is it will change according to subject. Subject is boy, and first case of boy will come here. First case of boy is he. Okay, after he you have am, and but after am you have, you know very well, first you should focus on this matter that sir we have am word in the sentence, sir. We have am word in the sentence, and am is a helping verb of present continuous. Are you sure? Okay, sir, we know very well am word is helping verb for present continuous tense, but if you have helping verb of present continuous tense, then you should write V4 after helping verb. You should write V4 after helping verb, but you have not V4 in this sentence. You have not V4 in this sentence, so you can't say the sentence is related to present continuous tense. आप ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि सर आपका सेंटेंस जो है रिलेटेड है किससे, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस से, बिकॉज ऑफ अगर आपके पास में V4 नहीं आ रही है तो यू कांट से इट इज रिलेटेड टू मैसेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. यू कैन से यहाँ पर सर जो एम आ रहा है, सर ये एम जो आया है विदाउट V4, इफ एम वर्ड कम्स इन ए सेंटेंस विदाउट V4 is am r. I told you, if you have is am r plus V4, is am r words are called helping verb, and V4 is case of main verb. Are you sure? But this type of message always comes in present continuous. But when sir is am r plus V4, if we have in a sentence, but you have no V4 in the sentence after is am or r. Sir, you have a sentence and in the sentence you have is mr also, but after is mr you have no V4. You have no V4. Then your V4 is not your is mr word is not called helping verb because of सर इनके बाद में जो मैन वर्ब है ना वो आपके पास में प्लेस नहीं की गई है, तो वो प्लेस नहीं की गई है तो ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब तभी होगा. यू कैन कॉल इट हेल्पिंग वर्ब व्हेन एवर यू हैव V4 आफ्टर दिस वर्ड, आफ्टर दीज टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स. अगर आपके पास में इजमार के साथ में V4 आया है तो यू शुड मेंशन, यू शुड कॉल इट सर दीज आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स एंड V4 इज मैन वर्ब. ओके, बट आफ्टर दीज वर्ड्स इफ यू हैवंट V4, अगर आपके पास में यू हैव नॉट V4 देयर आफ्टर इज एम आर, तो आपका जो इजमार होता है वो आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं खुद क्या बन जाता है, मैन वर्ब. ओके, एंड आई टोल्ड यू इफ इज एम आर इज यूजिंग इजमार आर यूजिंग इन सेंटेंसेस विदाउट V4, you can say is am or are symbol of V1. So sir, this is V1. This is V1. Are you sure? Okay. Or message is related to present. Sure? Okay, sir. Sir, we know very well is am are. If V1 is am are, okay, then we want to change it into V2. Okay, sir. And V2 of is am are will be was and were. Was and were. And V3 is been. I told you. And V4 is being. And V5 is to be. I told you. If your is am are is a symbol of V1. Okay, V1 means present indefinite tense. Are you sure? And if you have present indefinite inside of inverted commas, and if you have V1 plus V1 present indefinite inside of inverted commas, you should change into past indefinite. Past indefinite. What can we do in past indefinite? क्या करते हैं पास्ट इंडेफिनेट में? आई टोल्ड यू इन पास्ट इंडेफिनेट वी ऑलवेज राइट V2 एंड V2 ऑफ इजमार विल कम देयर. ओके, V2 ऑफ इजमार विल कम देयर एंड V2 ऑफ इजमार इज was and also were. I think these words are V2 of is am are. Are you sure? So we should write here was and also were as a man verb, as a man verb. Sure. So we will write here was and were. Sorry, was or were. We want to write here was or were. But sir, what can we write here? Was or were? Because of sir, if you have singular subject, you should write was, and if you have plural subject, you should write there were. So we have here he word, and he word is a subject, and he word is going to denote the message of singular subject here. So sir, we can't write here were, we will write here was also. Okay, was. And after sir, our sentence is negative, so we will add not word also. And sir, agree word, A-Z-R-E-E, agree, and with. After this, you have your word. Your word is a. Sir, your word is a second person. Okay, sir, your word is second person, but which case? Sir, second person, second case. Second person, second case. It is a second person and a second case. Okay, it will change according to object, according to an object, and the second case of an object will come there. And teacher is a boy, so sir, second case of boy will be his. Are you sure? And IDEAS. So the second sentence have been completed. Sure. So I told you about a simple sentence. Here, that's if we have simple sentence inside of inverted comma, we should focus first reporting verb. What will be reporting verb? Say will convert into say converts into says, and said converts into said. Said also. And if we have say to will, it converts into tell, and says to converts into tells, and said to convert into told. First I told you. Second, sir, if we have simple sentence, we should write that. And third, if we have person, we should change it according to SON. I think first person, second person, third person. First person according to subject, second person according to an object, and third person will not change. Okay. Next one, sir, related to message of tense. I told you about to tense. If you have present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, and shall will plus V1, should would plus V1, and can and may plus V1, could and might plus V1. Are you sure? I have completed here. Okay. Next one. Next type of simple sentence. Type second. Okay. Like she said, I miss my mother. I call my mother. You should write here. She said, I call my mother. Like in this sentence, she said only. You have not an object in this part. Okay. This is reporting verb, and in reporting verb you have not an object. Okay. Without object you have here reporting verb. She said, only she said. इसी किससे कहा, किससे बात कर रही है? I don't know. We don't also. Sorry. So sir, how can we change? Sir, first subject said will change or not? First, I want to ask you. Said word will change or not? ये बदलेगा नहीं बदलेगा? So I told you about to reporting verb. If you have simple sentence inside of inverted commas, if you have simple sentence inside of inverted commas, then you cannot change said word. You should write as well as like ये said का said ही क्या करेगा रहेगा, because of you have no object here, so you can't change it. And after all, you should write that word to connect. Okay. And I word is first person, first case according to subject. Subject is C. First case of C will be C, and call word is V1, that is symbol of present indefinite. It will change into past indefinite, or past indefinite will take V2. So call will convert into called, and my word is first person, second case. First person, second case. First person, second case, it will change according to subject, and the second case of subject will come here. So sir, second case of subject, first case of subject is C, second case of subject is will be her, is her also. So, and mother, MOTHER. Okay, it's very simple, but it's a second type of simple sentence. I told you without an object if you have reporting verb part. If you have only subject and verb in part of reporting verb, you have not an object, then you can't change reporting verb. You can write as well you have in question. Okay, जिस तरीके से आपके पास में reporting verb के बाद object reporting verb के साथ object part नहीं है, तो आपका reporting verb part होता है, you can't change it, और ऐसे में आपका जो sentence होता है वो वेरी सिंपल हो जाता है. Are you sure? Next type is number third. Okay, like you have a sentence here, and yet the sentence is very special sentence. Manu said to Jyoti. Monu. You can write Monu. Monu said to Jyoti. Yeah, you should write first here. Very special trick like Monu said you are a good person, Jyoti. Okay, you have a sentence like this. Monu said you are a good person, Jyoti. Monu said you are a good person, Jyoti. In this sentence you have Monu said, this type of message in reporting verb. You haven't an object part in this part. Okay, इस part में reporting verb में आपके पास में object sign नहीं हो रहा है, तो आपका माइंड क्या करेगा? सर अभी आपने सेकंड ट्रिक में एक चीज़ कंसल्ट की है हमसे. आई टोल्ड यू वेरी स्पेशल स्टेटमेंट इन सेकंड टाइप दैट इफ़ यू हैव सब्जेक्ट प्लस रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब in reporting verb you can't change reporting verb in indirect speech. I told you like as well. यहाँ पर भी without to आपकी reporting verb आ रही तो ये change नहीं होगी. But I want to say you very specially that if you have said word without to you can't change it. It's my rule. But here Monu is going to address this word, this type of sentence to Jyoti. Okay, ये ज्योति से क्या कर रहा है? एड्रेस कर रहा है. तो एक्चुअली जो ये आपका ज्योति है यहाँ पे, तो ये जो है ये ज्योति जो है इसको एड्रेस किया जा रहा है, ये ज्योति के लिए बोला जा रहा है. तो मोनू सैड, अब मोनू किससे कंसल्ट कर रहा है? हालांकि यहाँ पर शो नहीं किया गया इसको और उसको लास्ट में शो किया गया है, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना. यू शुड नॉट मेंशन इन योर माइंड दैट देयर इज़ नॉट सब्जेक्ट, देयर इज़ नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको ये माइंड करना है कि आपको जो एंडिंग में ज्योति दिया गया है आफ्टर कोमा, आफ्टर कॉमा जो आपको ज्योति दिया गया है दैट नेम आई थिंक दैट इज ज्योति, दैट इज़ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस हियर. ओके, वो आपकी ज्योति, आपका जो वर्ड दिया हुआ है वहाँ पे वो आपका उसका पार्ट नहीं है. वो जो मोनू है वो बात ज्योति से ही कर रहा है, बस वो ज्योति को एड्रेस कर रहा है लास्ट में हाईलाइट करने के तरीके से. तो इफ़ दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस कम्स इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच यू शुड चेंज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू वेरी सिंपल मैसन. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू वेरी सिंपल टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस आपको उसी तरीके से कंसल्ट करना होता है. मोनू एंड said will change or not first. Sir, we know we have object here, we have an object in this sentence, and if we have an object in this sentence sir, then our reporting verb will be changed. तो सर अगर आपके पास में मोनू सेड, मोनू ने कहा, किससे कंसल्ट किया मोनू ने, किससे बात की मोनू ने, तो किससे बात की सर? ज्योति से बात की. मोनू इज टॉकिंग विद ज्योति. ओके, ज्योति से बात कर रहा है, टॉकिंग टू ज्योति. तो ज्योति से बात कर रहा है तो आई थिंक ज्योति इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस. तो ज्योति से कंसल्ट कर रहा है तो ज्योति ऑब्जेक्ट है, और अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो सेड के बाद में टू आया है, टू इज अंडरस्टूड हियर, और ज्योति तो ऑब्जेक्ट है ही हमारे पास में. तो यू शुड राइट हियर, you should not write here said also, you should write here told, because of you have an object in this sentence. After told word you should an object, you should write an object like Jyoti, and after is you should write subject, conjunction, that is that word, and you know in this sentence you have that word, you word, and you word is a first person, second person or first case, 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 and if you have second person first case it will change according to an object. Sir, we haven't here object, but sir object is Jyoti, object is Jyoti. So sir we want to write here an object case. Okay, objective case. सर यहाँ पे सॉरी ऑब्जेक्ट केस का हमारा पार्ट आने वाला है। तो ऑब्जेक्ट केस का पार्ट क्या होगा सर? फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट केस सर, ऑब्जेक्ट केस हमारे पास में क्या है? ज्योति है, और ज्योति का जो फर्स्ट पार्ट होगा वो होगा हमारे पास में क्या? सी। यू नो वेरी वेल। बस वन मोर टाइम आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट इफ you have you word here as a subject sir, you word is a second person, and first case it will change according to an object sir. An object is Jyoti and Jyoti is a female here, so sir the first case of female will be C. Are you sure? And sir after you word we have here, after you word here you have here R word sir, and sir R is a man verb. I told you before some time, and R is man verb here, so it will change into was verb also. And after C you should write was and a good person. Are you sure? And the sentence is completed here. Okay, next one. Next one will be next day. So I want to say you all the students, you should focus, you should solve all the sentences which are related to your subject, which are related to your syllabus, and you should solve them. And if you have any problem, you should mention all the problems in the comment box on YouTube. And please subscribe, like, and share all the videos of this type of channel, Nucleus team. Okay, bye, see you. Hello, welcome one more, welcome very well all the students here. Just we are talking one more time about sentences of narration topic. I told you in my before lecture that if we have a simple sentence, how can we change into indirect speech? I told you about very simple sentence that sir, if we have very simple sentence, we can change in many types. Like very simple sentence, I told you if you have subject, object, and a simple sentence, you should change it. And without object, you have a sentence, you can change it. And with the object, but that is introduced in the part of reported speech, you can solve it also properly. Now we are talking about one more type of simple sentences here. Let's see. Type 4. Type 4 is like Shanu says to Jeevan, she walks for everybody. Okay, we have a sentence here and type is 4. Okay, number 4, this we are talking about to 4 type. Sir, Shanu says to Jeevan, she works for everybody. In this sentence you have Shanu says to, Shanu says to, Shanu says to. What is meaning of says to, sir? If you have says word, if you have, it's a very special word, trick. If you have say, says, say to, says to, will say, shall say. If you have this type of reporting verb in reporting verb part, if you have, if we have reporting verb, if we have reporting verb like say, says, say to, says to, will say और shall say, इस तरह का अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हम लोगों के पास में आया है, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, ओके, देन sure, if you have say, says, say to, says to, will say, shall say in the sentence. अगर इस तरह का रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आपके पास में आया है, देन योर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो टेंस होगा विल नॉट चेंज, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट माई स्टेटमेंट. इफ यू हैव रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब in present or future, if you have your reporting verb in present or future, if your reporting verb is in present or future, then the tense of your reported speech will not change in indirect speech. Are you sure? Sure. One more time with the example we are going to solve it. That is like Shanu says to Jeevan. Your reporting verb is in present. Your reporting verb in present. Okay, sure. If your reporting verb is in present, then the tense of your reported speech will not change. Sure. You should mention it. If you have say, says, say to, says to, say will say, shall say in reporting verb, then tense of reported speech will not change in indirect speech. Are you sure? Okay, let's see. Is the reporting verb of your sentence is in present or past? Sir, I want to ask you, is your reporting verb is in present or past? I want to tell you this word here. I think your reporting verb is in present. Are you sure? And if you have reporting verb in present, then then the tense of your reported speech will not change, and other rules will change properly. Okay? जिस तरीके से जो टेंस का रूल होता है वो चेंज नहीं होगा कब, जब आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब किस में आ रहा है, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर में आ रहा है. अगर आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में से आ रहा है, सेस आ रहा है, सेट टू आ रहा है, सेस टू आ रहा है, एंड टेल्स आ रहा है, सॉरी विल से आ रहा है, सेल से आ रहा है, अगर इस तरह का वर्ड आपके पास में आ रहा है, इफ यू हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स इन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, दे आर गोइंग टू शो द मैसेज प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर आल्सो. और इस तरह का अगर प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर का मैसेज यहाँ पे आता है तो आपका जो टेंस ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होता है विल नॉट चेंज, वो चेंज नहीं होता है, और अदर रूल्स विल बी चेंज प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, श्योर. आप इसको कंप्लीट तरीके से मेंशन कर ले अपने माइंड में. लाओ सी, Shanu says to will change into tells. Jeevan, to connect that word, she is third person. And I told you third person will not change. So you should write that she works. Okay, works. If you have reported speech here, reporting verb in past, if you have reporting verb in past, like if you have said to word here, then you should write here worked also, because of your reporting verb is in past. But if your reporting verb is in present, then you can't change the tense of reported speech. Are you sure? आपको reported speech का tense क्या नहीं करना है, चेंज नहीं करना है. तो सर अपने पास में क्या हो गया, works आ गया, works and for everybody. Okay. One more example for all the students, like I say to my daughter, you do not eat your lunch on time. Okay, it's my sentence. You should focus it. I say to my daughter. Is this reporting verb? Yes, sir. This is reporting verb. Is this reporting verb? Yes, sir. This is reporting verb. I want one more question. Your reporting verb is related to message of past or present. Your reporting verb is in present or past? Sir, this is in present. If you have reporting verb in present, then you can't change tense. So let's see इसको change करते कैसे. First, I Okay, first I, say2 will change into tell, and after my daughter and to connect both the sentences, both the parts, we should write here that, and after that we have here you word. We have you word. You word is second person first case, second person first case. It will change according to an object. Object is daughter. Daughter is a girl. I think first case of girl will come here, and first case of girl is C. Okay, and after C word, after subject here you want to write tense. Tense will not change. Tense will not change. So I want to write here do not eat. Do not eat. Is the correct answer? Is the correct answer? Sir, this is not correct, sir. This is not correct. Sir, we can't write do word with the singular subject. We can't write do word with the singular subject. We will write here does. We will write here does. Does not plus eat here. After your, after eat word we have your word. Your word is a second person second case. It will change also according to an object, and sir object is daughter. Daughter is also girl, and the second case of daughter will be her. Okay, lunch on time. Okay, I'm agree, I'm sure about the sentence, but all the students are not sure. I know very well. मैं जानता हूँ कि सारे बच्चों की कंसल्ट नहीं हुआ होगा. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करते हैं हम लोग. ओके, I said to my daughter, 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 you do not eat your lunch on time. In this sentence, we have two parts. This sentence is related to direct speech. You know very well. This is reporting verb part, and that is reported speech. And your reporting verb is in present. I told you if your reporting verb is in present tense, you can't change the tense of reported speech. This is very clear rule for you. यानी आपके लिए बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि आपकी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब अगर प्रेजेंट में है तो आपका रिपोर्टेड जो स्पीच होता है उसका जो टेंस होता है उसका चेंज नहीं करना होगा, उसको आपको सेम प्लेस करना है. ओके, तो सर आई वांट टू आस्क यू, इज दिस प्रेजेंट? इज दिस प्रेजेंट? यस सर. इज दिस आल्सो प्रेजेंट? यस सर. बट सर यू हैव डू वर्ड एंड यू आर यूजिंग हियर डज, बट वाई? ओके, यही चीज़ अपन कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में लेकर के. सर आपने यहाँ से कहा से टू टेल में हो गया, माई डॉटर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डॉटर आल्सो, एंड टू कनेक्ट हियर दैट वर्ड वी हैव यूज्ड हियर, एंड यू वर्ड इज चेंज्ड हियर इन सी. बट सर डू नॉट ईट, डू नॉट ईट इज सिंबल ऑफ प्रेजेंट, डज नॉट इट इज सिंबल ऑफ प्रेजेंट. बट सर यहाँ पर आपने डू नॉट लिया तो आप यहाँ डज नॉट क्यों ले रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ सर, बिकॉज यहाँ पर अपना जो सब्जेक्ट है प्लूरल, यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट क्या है? प्लूरल है, और यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट क्या हो गया? सिंगुलर. तो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हुआ तो पर्सन को चेंज करना था ना. वी शुड चेंज पर्सन, बट वी कांट चेंज टेंस. हम पर्सन चेंज कर सकते हैं बस टेंस चेंज नहीं कर सकते. क्या आपका टेंस चेंज हुआ है? एक बच्चा जो करता, छोटा बच्चा जो कंसल्ट करता है भी हमसे कि सर हमारे पास में यहाँ पर डू को डज में चेंज कर दिया, टेंस आपने चेंज कर दिया. बेटा हमने टेंस को चेंज नहीं किया है, ये भी प्रेजेंट था, ये भी प्रेजेंट है, बट एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ ये थी कि प्रेजेंट ही यहाँ लाना था, प्रेजेंट ही यहाँ लाना था, बट यहाँ एक्चुअली सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल था, यहाँ एक्चुअली सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सिंगुलर है. तो प्लूरल के साथ में वी शुड मेंशन डू नॉट प्लस ईट हियर, एंड इन सिंगुलर केस वी कांट राइट डू नॉट वी ईट, वी यूज does not plus it also. Sure. So we want to we use here do not, you can't use here do not, we use here does not also. Are you sure? Today my health is not good, so okay, let's move next one. Trick number 4, type number 4, sorry 5, TYPE, types number 5. Okay, what is 5 number type? Okay, proverbs, statements, rules of science and maths universal truth habitual actions. If these types of sentences, if these types of messages sentences if we have in reported speech, then how can we change the sentence first? What is meaning of proverb? I told you in the session of tense what is meaning of proverb. Proverb is a sentence which is given by someone, but we are not aware about to the person who gave it. Okay. And statements, I told you statements also sentences, but these are given by particular person like Tilak, Gandhi and Obama, Mandela, like these are person. And if any sentence is related to the autobiography of those persons, we should mention the sentences in the part of statements. Are you sure? Next one in rules of science and maths also. If we have general rules of science and also math in reported speech, we can't change it also. And if we have universal truth, you know very well about universal truth, sir. If we have an action which is doing, which is working, which is going to complete in very simple type of manner in any type of tense, like present, past or future, like the earth revolves around the sun. In this sentence we can understand the message of universal truth also. Sure. Next one is habitual action, like my mother goes to temple every day. Like in this sentence we have a message of habitual action, because my mother is in regular habit, so we can say it is also habitual action. Sure. Sir, if we have these types of messages like proverb, statement, general truth, eternal truth, maybe universal truth, and habitual action, and principle of science and also math, we can say rules of science and also math. If these types of messages sentence come in reported speech, in the part of reported speech, if we have these types of messages, how can we change the sentence? Let's see. Trick. ओके, आई टोल्ड यू हियर, आप इसको प्रॉपर तरीके से कंसल्ट करें कि आपके पास में रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आया है और फिर आगे आपके पास में इफ़ यू हैव प्रॉवर्ब, स्टेटमेंट्स, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ साइंस, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथ और आपका हैबिचुअल एक्शन, इस तरह का अगर मैसेज आया है तो आपके पास में वो सब चीज़ें क्या होती है, बाकी सब चीज़ें तो सेम चेंज होती है, मतलब जिस तरह का होता है, बट जो टेंस होता है उसका कोई चेंजेस नहीं होता है। ये आप कंसल्ट करें। अभी काफ़ी टीचर्स इसको क्या कंसल्ट करते हैं, और लॉट्स ऑफ टीचर्स से अबाउट दिस टाइप ऑफ रूल दैट इफ़ वी हैव प्रॉवर्ब, स्टेटमेंट एंड जनरल ट्रूथ इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच वी कांट चेंज ऑल द सेंटेंस, हम पूरे सेंटेंस को चेंज नहीं करते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं होता। ओनली ये याद रखें कि अगर इस तरह का मैसेज यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ या हमारे पास में जो और मैसेज है प्रॉवर्ब, स्टेटमेंट, इस टाइप का मैसेज अगर हमारे पास आता है इन्वर्टेड स्पीच के, वो इन्वर्टेड कोमा के अंदर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, इस तरह का मैसेज जब हमारे पास में आता है तो हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या चेंज नहीं करना है, टेंस चेंज नहीं करना, अदर पार्ट्स में चेंज करने ही करने हैं. यू शुड मेंशन इन योर माइंड फर्स्ट. ओके, या लेट्स सी. ओके, my teacher says man is okay. Let's move. Honesty is the best policy. You have a sentence here. What is the sentence? My teacher says honesty is the best policy. Yeah, I want to ask you, is the sentence of reported speech is related to proverb, statement, universal truth? Are you sure? Yes sir, we are sure about to sentence that sir, the sentence is related to message of proverb also. Honesty is the best policy. It is given by unknown person. It is given by person, but sir we are not sure who was that. या कौन था वह हम लोग नहीं जानते हैं. तो ये proverb हम लोगों के पास में हो गया. तो मेरा कंसल्टमेंट क्या था कि if you have proverb, universal truth inside of inverted commas, you can't change tense. You can't change tense. बाकी सब तो तुम्हें चेंज करना होगा. Okay, let's see. First, my teacher says. It will change or not? I told you says word will not change because we have no two word after says word here, so we can't change it. Says will come here to connect both. That word will come. Honesty. Sir, honesty word is a subject here, but I want to ask you. This is also person. This is also person. I want to ask you, honesty word is a person here. Okay, because of if you have any type of subject that is related to message of person. Honesty word is also person. Is this first person? Is this first person? No sir. Is this second person? No sir. If you have I or we, so you can say this, these are first person. If you have you word, you can say this is second person. But इसके अलावा जो भी मैसेज आता है, इनको छोड़ करके जो भी रेस्ट मैसेज आता है, वो सारा क्या होता है, थर्ड पर्सन. और अगर ये थर्ड पर्सन है तो वी कांट चेंज इट सर. वी कांट चेंज ना, बिकॉज क्योंकि सर हमारे पास ऑनेस्टी वर्ड एक पर्सन है और ये थर्ड पर्सन से रिलेट करता है. एंड इफ यू हैव थर्ड पर्सन इन ए रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, वी कांट चेंज इट. सो सर वी विल राइट हियर ऑनेस्टी आल्सो. HONESTY. Honesty is will change or not? Is will change or not? Sir, is will not change. Why? Because of sir, you said us, you told us, you informed us that if you have very special type of message which are related to proverb, universal truth, that these types of sentences here, we will not change the tense of sentence. Okay, so sir we will write here same to same is the best policy. Okay, completed. Next one. Next example is like Tilak says freedom is my birth right. Okay, next sentence is Tilak says freedom is my birthright. In this sentence you have Tilak says. This is reporting verb. Are you sure? Sir, in reporting verb you have present tense. Here I think your reporting verb is in present tense. Okay, and in reported speech, I think inside of inverted commas you have freedom is my birthright. It is given by Tilak. Okay sir, this is statement. Are you sure? और मैंने आपको क्या कंसल्ट किया, इफ यू हैव स्टेटमेंट inside of inverted commas, you can't change the tense of statement. Are you sure? Okay, so we will write here Tilak says will be says because of क्योंकि सर सेस विदाउट टू अपने पास आया है तो इट विल नॉट चेंज, विदाउट टू इफ यू हैव सेस वर्ड इट विल नॉट चेंज प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, सो सर सेस वर्ड तो सेस वर्ड कंप्लीट हो गया. आफ्टर ऑल वी वांट टू राइट कंजक्शन. ओके, दैट विल बी दैट बिकॉज ऑफ वी हैव वेरी सिंपल सेंटेंस इनसाइड ऑफ इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, सो वी शुड राइट हियर दैट कंजक्शन. ओके, आफ्टर फ्रीडम, freedom is person, freedom is person, freedom is person. I think is this first person? No. Is this second person? No. Is this third person? Yes. Third person will not change, so sir freedom will come here. Okay, and it will change or not? It will change or not? Sir, I told you that if you have very special type of message like universal truth statement inside of inverted commas, the tense of these type of sentences will not change. I told you. Okay, so you should write here is also. But sir, you have my word, it will change or not? It will change or not? I told you that you can't change the tense of reported speech. You can't change the tense of reported speech. Other rules you can change, other rules you can apply, other words will change. आपको और सारी चीज़ अप्लाई करनी है, चेंज करनी है. तो सर माई वर्ड इज रिलेटेड टू मैसेज ऑफ पर्सन हियर. सर माई वर्ड इज फर्स्ट पर्सन एंड सेकंड केस इट विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. एंड सर व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? सर सब्जेक्ट इज तिलक and sir Tilak is a boy here, so sir the second case of boy will come there, and sir second case of boy will his, and after birth and right. Are you sure? One more time I want to say you that if you have a sentence which is related to message of reporting verb, which is related to proverb, statement and science rule and mass rule and also any type of habitual action, if this तरह का मैसेज अगर आपके पास में आया है तो यू शुड मेंशन इन योर माइंड कि जो आपका टेंस होता है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का वो चेंज नहीं होता. ओनली टेंस यू कांट चेंज. आप टेंस को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. अदर रूल्स विल बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू बिफोर रूल्स. ओके, यानी पहले के जो रूल्स थे उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो क्या होंगे? चेंज होंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट रूल इज नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज the leader of my class said the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, this sentence is delivered, this type of message is delivered by the leader of my class. Are you sure? The leader of my class said what? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. I want to ask you, you have a sentence inside of inverted commas. Is this simple sentence, or I think is this very simple sentence, or very special sentence in simple category? Is this simple sentence or universal truth? Is this simple sentence or universal truth? Sir, this is universal truth because of this is related to nature. Okay, and if you have very simple sentence and in this category like this universal, habitual, in this category if we have the tense of the sentence will not change in indirect speech. I told you. Sure? So just we are going to change it. The leader of my class said will change or not? Said will change or not? Said will not change here because of sir after said word we have not to an object. हमारे पास to और object नहीं है तो we can't change it properly. So sir said will come as said, and we want to write add. We want to write here that word because of we want to change, we want to connect both the sentences here. Next one is sir the sun. The sun is subject here. The sun is first person, second person or third person? Sir this is third person, it will not change. Sir same the sun. And after rises, I told you sir rises word is going to show the message of present here. And you know you told us that present indefinite always change in past indefinite. Is this tense will change or not? Okay sir, is this sentence change or not is a very big question in front of us. हमारे सामने बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कि ये सेंटेंस सर चेंज होने वाला है या नहीं होने वाला है. वाई? तो सर एक्चुअली आई टोल्ड यू कि अगर हमारा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में इस तरह का मैसेज आता है तो विल नॉट चेंज, ये चेंज नहीं होगा. सो सर वी विल राइट हियर ओनली सेम एज. तो इसी तरीके से इसको कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. RISES राइजेस इन द ईस्ट एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. Same will be here. Okay, so I want to tell you one more time, if you have reporting verb in present and in reported speech, if you have very special type of message like this universal truth, habitual action and other part of science rule and also mass rule, if we have these types of message in reported speech, you can't change the tense of reported speech. Are you sure? So let's move on and just you should focus on the all aspects, all the topics, all the types of message on the simple sentence types. So you should solve at your home, and if you have any problem, you should mention all the problems in the comment box. I will reply in the comment box. Okay, and next session will be related to next type of sentence, that will be an interrogative. Are you sure? After this type of message, अपन ये पूरा कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम एक दो सेंटेंस को जनरली चेक कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर वी विल ऑफ दिस क्लास. श्योर. एग्जाम्पल्स you should solve. Riya said to Sushant, you are not working with me. Okay, it's very simple sentence for you. We should change. Megha and her sisters said to my brother your brother do not learn any type of work at home. Third is, she said to a boy, you are foolish. Manvi said, I always speak truth. Next one, Ram says to and to Mac 4. I have written here 5 examples. You should solve these examples and give me the answer of these questions in comment box. And if you have any problem, you can say me, you can write in comment any type of problem. I will solve in comment, and I will, if I will not solve in the comment box, I will solve on the board in next session. Okay, let's see. Bye, best of luck, and you should follow and you should complete all the rules and tables and also all the parts of this type of message. Bye, see you.